In the cold and boundless void of space, where silence reigns and time unfolds at a pace beyond human comprehension, a discovery has emerged. One that threatens to rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe. Light from distant stars travels billions of years to reach us, telling ancient stories etched in photons. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the cosmos, has returned an observation that defies all logic. It has detected a structure, colossal, ancient, and incomprehensibly complex, that appears to have existed before time itself. This isn't just another galaxy or star system. What the telescope has captured is so unprecedented, so out of alignment with existing theories, that scientists across the globe are struggling to describe it, let alone explain it. Some are calling it the most profound mystery in modern cosmology. Others are whispering that it may be the first true evidence of realities beyond our own. Either way, one thing is certain: we are staring into the unknown. Until now, the age of our universe was well established, approximately 13.8 billion years, based on measurements of the cosmic microwave background radiation. That light, the afterglow of the Big Bang, has been our cosmic timestamp, the benchmark by which everything is measured. Galaxies, stars, planets, all of it, according to our understanding, must have formed after this moment of creation. But what happens when we observe something that seemingly predates it? According to Webb's data, this mysterious structure appears to have formed a mere 100 million years, or possibly less, after the Big Bang. The problem? Its complexity suggests that it didn't just form quickly, it had already matured. And here lies the paradox. Something this organized, this large, and this influential should have taken much longer to form. And more alarmingly, it might not belong to our timeline at all. The structure, seen in the faintest flickers of ancient light, does not resemble a galaxy or even a galaxy cluster. It lacks a core, emits no typical starlight, and doesn't follow the physical behaviors we expect. It is described instead as a web-like matrix, a vast, interconnected filament of dark matter, ionized gas, and exotic particles, arranged with baffling precision. It stretches across light years and exerts gravitational forces on nearby matter, yet seems to possess no obvious mass to account for it. Its redshift, the key measurement used to estimate cosmic distance and age, suggests that the light has traveled from a time before the earliest galaxies we've ever seen. This alone should be impossible. Redshift values this high are typically associated with objects from the dawn of the universe, but nothing with this level of complexity should exist that early. Previously, Webb stunned astronomers by observing galaxies only 300 million years after the Big Bang, findings that already challenged the existing models of cosmic evolution. But this structure? Its existence pushes that boundary back dramatically, perhaps catastrophically. Astrophysicists are scrambling to find answers. Some propose that we may have misunderstood how redshift works at these extremes. Others question whether the standard cosmological model, the very framework of our understanding of space and time, is incomplete. But there are also more radical voices. Some are now seriously entertaining the idea that what we're observing might be a remnant of a previous universe. This possibility is rooted in a theory known as conformal cyclic cosmology, developed by Nobel laureate Sir Roger Penrose. According to this theory, the universe is not a one-time event, but rather an eternal cycle of Big Bangs. Each universe expands, ages, and eventually fades into a state of maximum entropy, only for a new universe to emerge from its remains. If this is true, then perhaps what Webb has detected is a ghost structure, a lingering fingerprint from the universe that came before ours. Imagine that for a moment. A structure so ancient that it predates not just our stars and planets, but the very physics that govern them. A relic from a forgotten cosmos, drifting silently in the background radiation of our own. If true, then the universe may not be a closed book, but a palimpsest, one layer of existence written over another, again and again, forever. But this isn't the only theory. Another increasingly discussed possibility is that this structure doesn't originate from our universe at all. Some physicists speculate it could be a product of multiversal interaction, a brief moment where another universe, coexisting alongside ours in a broader multiverse brushed against our own. The result? A scar. A remnant. A foreign object embedded in our spacetime, observable but not entirely belonging. Support for this idea comes from the symmetry within the structure. Webb's observations show repeating patterns, geometries so precise that they appear mathematical in nature. These repeating elements have no known natural analog. They don't match the chaotic processes of star formation or galactic motion. Instead, they resemble the kind of ordered designs we associate with intelligence. Could this be a construct? Some have dared to ask. Could it be the work of an advanced civilization? One not merely older than ours, but older than our entire universe? If such a civilization ever existed, one capable of engineering structures at this scale, it would have to understand and manipulate physics in ways we cannot yet imagine. It may even have found ways to exist independently of time as we know it, or to escape the death of its universe by anchoring its presence in ours. There's more. Webb's instruments have detected pulsating radio signals from the structure, faint, rhythmic bursts that appear to repeat with mathematical precision. These are not the erratic emissions of quasars or pulsars. These are patterns. The source remains unidentified. Could it be a naturally occurring resonance within the structure? Or something else? Perhaps a signal left behind long ago, now echoing across space? Skeptics offer grounded alternatives. Some suggest that we are witnessing a rare optical illusion created by gravitational lensing, a warping of light by massive intervening objects that distorts our perception of distant targets. Others warn that even the James Webb Space Telescope, as sophisticated as it is, may be brushing up against the limits of what we can observe reliably. But these objections, while valid, do not fully account for the consistency of the data. The structure is real. Its behavior is real. And it continues to defy explanation. NASA has already taken extraordinary steps. A special cosmological task force has been assembled, including experts in astrophysics, quantum theory, relativity, and information science. Supercomputers are running trillions of simulations, attempting to model the conditions that could produce such a formation. None have succeeded. Ground-based observatories are now aligned toward the coordinates, hoping to detect additional clues. But so far, the mystery only deepens. Within scientific circles, the object is now being referred to, unofficially, as the anomaly. Not because we understand it, but precisely because we don't. Its existence shakes the core assumptions of the Big Bang model, our understanding of time, and even the nature of space itself. Comparisons are already being made to past enigmas in astronomy, such as the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly pulling galaxies toward an unseen mass. But the anomaly is different. It's not hiding. It's not invisible. It's there, staring back at us, offering no answers, only questions. Philosophers and theologians are also weighing in. Could this be a message? A design? A mirror revealing our ignorance? Or is it simply a natural phenomenon that we lack the tools to decode? One interpretation sees it as a cosmic Rosetta Stone, a structure that, if we could understand it, might unlock knowledge of other universes, other cycles, or even the fundamental nature of reality. Others warn against such speculation, reminding us of the countless times mystery has preceded understanding in science. But one fact remains. The James Webb Space Telescope has forced us to confront the possibility that we are not alone, not in space, necessarily, but in time, in structure, and in significance. We may be newcomers to a cosmic stage already set long before we arrived. And this is only the beginning. As the telescope continues to gaze into the deepest darkness, each new image may bring revelations we are scarcely prepared to face. With every layer peeled back, we're reminded just how little we truly know, and how infinite the unknown truly is. Stay tuned, as our channel continues to journey beyond the veil of the visible universe. The anomaly is only the first chapter in a story far more ancient, far more vast, and far more mysterious than anything we've ever imagined.